welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a pack with me. So I thought I would start this video off with going over the packing list that I made for this trip and bringing it back to how I used to do my pack with me's. So really excited to share this part. I've made some changes to my PM agenda. So as y'all know, this has been my on the go and travel agenda, and I tweaked it to be more on the go, but I decided to add in my packing list because I really just love having them in here. I will be taking this with me. So this trip that we will be packing for is just a little weekend trip to New Haven. So my best friend wants to do some wedding activities there, like looking for a dress, and I'm her matron of honor, so I will be going, of course. And then fun fact, I lived there for a few months when I was younger, and so I'm just excited to go back and then enjoy the food. And we're both on summer break and both about to start the next semester, so it's a nice little getaway for a few days. So yeah, again, I've made some changes. I'll have a full video on it, but essentially I have my Louis Vuitton agenda refills in here, and then I have this back section with some notes, and then I decided to add in my packing list as well. So again, flip for this agenda will be up next week, but here's what we currently have. So I try to organize this as best as possible. So we actually FaceTime last night, went over like what to pack, what to bring kind of thing. And so it will be raining off and on while we're there. So that's the biggest thing that I needed to add. So I have my rain, it's technically a jacket, not a coat, but a jean jacket, and then just really casual wear. So we're not doing much outside of that boutique. We're just gonna go enjoy some food, chill on the beach, etc. And so not much was really needed aside from like lounge wear and like one dress. So I just have general list here, and then when it comes to other items that I'm bringing, so I will be using my new Beis front pocket carry-on roller. I recently uploaded a video on the review and unboxing comparison to the original Beis carry-on, so I'll be using that in this trip, showing y'all how I'm going to use it. And then I'll also be using my new Louis Vuitton Keepall 55. So I'll do a full video when I get back on that, so y'all get to see it now. But I essentially decided to buy it because I missed my Keepall. I have a strap that I purchased from Amazon, and I mentioned in my luggage review video, and I'll try to have that one linked below, where I went over all of the luggage pieces that I bought that I loved it. It's just I needed the strap. And then I don't know, when I was traveling after I filmed that video, I realized I don't use the strap, and so I go back and forth with it. I think my biggest annoyance, I think I talked about it in that video, but I just didn't like how it would fall off my suitcase. And so I noticed on TikTok that there was a lot of items that you could buy on Amazon that will hold like a drink on that little like suitcase holder part. And so I was like, I wonder if they have something that, you know, you can just strap, or maybe I can get a ratchet strap and strap it on there so it doesn't fall in the airport. And what do you know, they invented something for 10 bucks. So of course I'll have everything linked below that I can link, and I'll definitely make sure to link that. But I think that's going to solve the issue that I was looking for on keeping my Keepall on there without having to use the holder. But that way I can keep it like right on top. So I'll show y'all that in this video. Wanted to cover that because I will be using it. But yeah, we'll be bringing that. And actually, let me mark that as a, I don't want to call it, let's do a miscellaneous section here. Let's do luggage strap. Okay, so bringing that. And then for the list in general, there's categories. These are from cloth and paper. So for the toiletries, this is everything that's going in my Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. And so I decided to organize it so that way I know what's where. And so this is typically, it's like anything face or like sink related essentially. So that way this goes into the bathroom wherever I'm staying. And that's how I try to like always pack. So that's how I use the Nice Mini. So all of this is going in there. This, and then also some hair products. So it isn't like the full list of what's going in the Nice Mini, but it's always this plus the hair products. So that goes in there. I have my tech, which will actually be going into that pocket in the Beis travel. Shoes, I'll be wearing my sneakers, so I'll be packing a pair of sandals and heels. Jewelry, that goes in my niece Nano. And then makeup, this will go in my Chanel cosmetic bag. I like keeping my makeup separate because that way I can easily take it out. I'm leaving really early in the morning, so at some point I can do my makeup and all I have to do is take out my makeup pouch and everything's in there. So I like separating it, especially if I need to like take it with me somewhere, right? So that will be in the Chanel cosmetic case. I have a section for SLGs and accessories. So of course I gotta bring sunglasses. My key pouch holds my AirPod minis. I'm bringing my PM agenda because it's my on the go. My pochette accessories, my tech holder, and then I need to bring my card holder. So we have that, and that'll probably be my main wallet. I don't need to like bring it additionally, but I just like having the list of what I know I need to use in here. For handbags, I'll be bringing my Gucci Super Mini Dionysus. I just think it'll be cute, and I have a matching pair of shoes to use for when we go to the boutique. And then for my everyday bag, I'll just use my everyday bag, my Monster ABB. I haven't brought this with me to travel, so I'm excited to see how this, how it works for like traveling. So I'm bringing that, and then I have all my hair products here, and then miscellaneous, which you just saw me type. So that is the list. And so what I like to do is on these lists, just mark off what I have packed throughout the packing process. I don't know if y'all see that in the video, but then also when I'm there, making sure that I have everything, I complete an X, right? So I'll do like one, like for example, I already packed the book. So I'll mark that way, and then I'll complete the X on my way back, so that way I know I have it. So just something that I like to do with packing lists, but I also just like doing this so that I know what I'm bringing and I have a general idea. A lot of stuff is the same for trips, but yeah, that is the packing list. And now let's start packing. And then we have my Keepall 50. So the Keepalls have this little hook inside here. So I like to keep my key pouch with my AirPods in here so it's easy to find. So that's just hanging in there. As y'all saw, I have my Monster ABB, which will be the bag that I'm bringing, my Chanel cosmetic case, my niece mini. I have my, I think it's kind of hard to see. Let me turn this around. My sunglasses are in the drink holder of this organizer, and then I have my pochette accessory outside of the organizer. So again, this is a 45 organizer, so there's room over there. So that's just over there for now. And then my niece Dana is just getting thrown up top. I have my prescription and stuff in there, so I can easily grab it. Also some Tylenol. But plenty of room in here if I want to add some more stuff or throw in a jacket. I think for now I'm just going to pack everything in the jacket. But yeah, that's inside of the Keepall. And then that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.